I'm starting the video now. It's a little bit later. Shut up! Be quiet! I'm filming! You stupid plate. Be quiet. Alright. So this is how to wash the dirt bike. And I know that a lot of you experienced dirt bike riders, you would know how to wash your own dirt bike. But I know there's some other people that doesn't really know how to wash one. And maybe you are thinking, well, you just wash it. Well, no, there's a couple of other things you have to do. I'm gonna wait until Deacon gets back. I'll see you here in a second.
Alright guys, so we're back and we're gonna put some water in this bucket, so
what you get to do, and you could double wash, but we don't care that much. Is it skipping?
No.
Skip it real quick.
Alright, so he's almost done.
Well, you don't have to get it all the way filled up. So, get you a bucket of water.
Maybe a couple gallons.
Well, that's about 5 gallons a bucket, so that's probably around 2 or 3 gallons.
2.5.
So come
go
over
say
here. And get you some soapy.
Soapy mopey.
And just drizzle it in there. Get you a good amount. And then take your hand.
Slosh it around.
Make a little tornado with it so it just gets it all around. So, and then put your hand. Just slosh it all around. Splash Deacon. Splash your siblings. And then I like to put my hand in the tornado after it, just because it feels really weird. So you do that. I'm trying to get all lit. Alright. So I guess the first thing would be, can I pause it real quick?
Over there. Hey.
All the way over there.
And then zip it up like that.
As much as it'll go, zip it up. And then this is just for double safety. So take another bag, a Walmart bag, and just put it over it like that, and tie it, and then put a rubber band over it.
Pull all the slack.
And this is, what is this for? So the water doesn't get up in the air?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Because I don't know if you guys knew this, but air in a dirt bike, or if you flood your dirt bike, like if you get water up in the air system and all that, it ain't gonna work too good. That's kind of like putting your pinky in the exhaust. It ain't gonna get anything combustion. It's just not gonna work. So you always want to get something to tighten over that, so it don't get no air in there, I guess, or so it don't get no water in it.
Juice.
Alright. And then what you do, turn on your water hose.
Do not spray water into the muffler hose.
Okay.
If it cooled off, you need to wait till your engine cools off.
Yeah.
Y'all been riding it?
No.
It don't matter.
We rode it from here to there to take it over there and do a review. Alright, is it recording?
Yeah.
So just kind of spray it off. Get a little wet.
Can I do it?
Yeah. Alright.
Turn your gas off. This is always a good idea.
Always turn your gas off, guys. Is reserve so if you're gonna park it somewhere for a while?
Reserve is if you run out of gas, you can turn it to reserve.
Oh, so them kids were right. I thought it was so you could park it for a while.
You run out of gas, you turn it on reserve, and it'll use what
And this
little
isn't.
bit. It'll use what little bit that's in that little thing and suck it through for you to get somewhere. But it ain't gonna last real long.
So this is basically not to get the dirt off of the dirt bike. It's just to get the dirt, what will come off. Oh. I want to get over here. Dang, Deacon, you did that on purpose? Oh, watch your bucket, watch your bucket, watch your bucket. You got soapy water.
Medium lens over here.
Hold on, it's kink, Deacon. Go. So just kind of spray off what you can get off. Don't spray the water straight into the exhaust because I don't want to be too good. Just spray it off. Get up in here. Dang, son. You're spraying it all over the place. And don't try, just because you've protected some parts, that doesn't mean to try to spray it at that part. Just always be cautious. Whoa, Deacon.
You're good.
No, spraying it all over the place. I'm sorry if the recording's bad.
Scrub it.
Alright, that's good, Deacon. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good, Deacon. That's good. Alright, Deacon. That means put it up. I gotta turn the water off on him. He's a fire pyromaniac and a water bug at the same time. Alright. So you turn your water off if your siblings won't turn it off and they're spraying you. And we're not gonna sit here and scrub it while y'all are watching because that's just gonna get boring. So what you do, you put your little scrub brush, one of these right here, put it in the, sorry if it cut off the video, oh, no it didn't. So just put this in here, get a little soapy, and then come over here and scrub all the parts that you didn't get the dirt off. So that's basically how you clean a dirt bike. Anything you say? Sorry about my finger, guys.
No, just dry it off when you...
Ride it off. Yeah. Don't dry it, ride it.
Yeah.
Alright, so like, comment, subscribe.
See ya.
See you next time. Bye.